Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to transparent a background image using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option. Now select your background option and first I'll add a background image. Select Add option and select your name option and click here and select your background image. I'll add this background image. Select Open. And this background image opacity, that means transparency, I'll make it 50%. Transparency. See this transparency now says also you can make it 80%. I'll make it 40%. And this is scale ratio, I'll make it 100%. And there is blank space, I'll make it on 5 and simply select OK. And see this, our background image now transparent and image now fit all of these pages. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.